Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a new message in your automatic newsletter in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account, then go to automations. Click on or open the automation that you want to add a new message on. This is my automation. For example, as you see, I have this rule of contacts added to the list, send an email step, a waiting period step, and also another send an email step. Let's say I want to create a third email. Okay, go to actions and look for send an email below messaging. Drag and drop this element and place it here. Now, automatically after sending this email, this one will be sent if it meets the requirements. I can also add a 1-day waiting period by closing this, go to rules and drag and drop this time delay element like that. And here I can select 1 day, for example. And just this way, I will have a waiting day. As you see here, there is an error message step being skipped. Save step to include it in the automation. Okay, after adding this send an email element, click on it. And here, click on add message to create a new message. I always recommend you to go with simple text-based template to have higher chances of meeting or to avoid the spam folder trigger. Okay, write the email message as you want. For example, dear customer, I will delete customer and I will add this variable first, or let's redo it again. Click on add variable, select contact attributes, look for the first name, and just like that, each email sent will use the email subscriber first name. It will be dear Joe, dear Bart, like that. After this, click on use this design in automation. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And you will exit to this workflow step. And after this, click on exit. As you see, my automation is active. Click on exit editor. Some steps have unsaved changes. Okay, my bad. Before clicking on exit editor, here what events data to display. Here you still need to fill in a subject line. This is my subject line. The subject line is required. The preview text is not. Select the sender email address. In my case, I use this this professional looking email address. After this, make sure to click on save to save this new email message. As you see, new message created. After this, you can exit the editor. And just like that, you've added a new email message to your automatic newsletter. And this is how to add a new message in your automatic newsletter in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.